Hi guys, welcome back. It's Ron with Farming Up the Hill. Got a little snow overnight, but what we did get is a ton of wind. So everything drifted really bad. And so we're gonna go along here. I'm gonna take you with me. And we're gonna get the tractor and we're gonna go out there and see if we can get some plowing done. So let's go see what it's like. Took the filter off the front of the camera so we can maybe be able to see a little better what's going on. Get up, Amy and Vern are actually out feeding animals this morning, so they can get a few things going, and we'll see what we can get done here. Hopefully this, there's Vern. He's out running around. So didn't get a lot of snow, just got a little bit. So we'll get it all set up here and see if we can get it plowed. We share a part of our drove with the neighbor, so I'll see if I can get some stuff plowed up, get some of those drifts done. Pivot around here, and there's Amy. So we'll get back here and see if we can, now that she can kind of keep Vern away from me, let's see if we can get some plowing done, get some roads open. So it's nice to have a blade to be able to move some snow. Some of this area is not too bad, some of it is, so we'll get rolling and see what we can get done. Oops. We'll go ahead and put this in 4-wheel drive and see what we can get done moving forward. So let's get rolling. Back here you can see the blade kicking up some of the snow for us. Like I say, they're drifts, so I just put the blade down on setting number 4 and kind of keep that going and see how it does. We're going by the wood pile. We've got in a semi-load of wood, and I sold a little bit of it off. The neighbors are such good people, they came over and helped. So it's all good stuff. Gonna move around front here. Like I said, some of the area isn't too bad. If you get some of the earth exposed, the hey Vern, and sun will come out and actually melt the snow a little faster. It's really nice. For some of you, I might as well go ahead and do it. Amy has not learned to drive the tractor. She's been a little hesitant on it. My plan is to work with her this spring on how to drive the tractor. So she can come out and do some of this, and I can do some of the colder work, if you want to call it that, because it is a cab tractor factory, so it does have heat and air conditioning. I need to get my phone hooked up to it. We don't get any radio station here. It does have a radio, but I can't hook up and tie into Pandora or something like that and listen to music if I wanted to. But right now we're just going to go around and see what we can get done with the tractor. Removing some of those drifts. Get the plowed over and make it a little nicer for everybody. And I have to go into town where the springs and work on getting some more diesel fuel. My 5-gallon buckets are empty, so looks like we're got a little stuck. Like I said, some of these drifts are pretty good, so we'll throw it in reverse. Raise the blade up a little bit, whoops, and see if we can get some stuff maneuvered here. It's not really wanting to do it very good because the snow's so deep. And unfortunately, we've had snow for a while, so it got a little bit of a frost on top of it, and for some reason can't seem to get out of this trench at the moment, so we're going to have to back up quite a bit. We'll take another stab at it. I probably actually got off the driveway a little bit, knowing me. So, see how we do this time. It's really bright. Like I say, we'll go over here. We're on to number 4. Normally I do it on number 2, but like I said, I'm just trying to knock the top layer off and be able to move it good, and then we'll come back and lower it down. It takes twice as long, unfortunately, but that's how it goes. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Let's see what we can get done here. I have my blade still centered on the mount. My goal is to eventually shift it off. I can shift it over about a foot to 18 inches. You can measure it, but that'll allow us to, I can actually get over farther without actually getting off the road, and I can shove the snow over to the side a little better. Like I said, the majority of the problem is the blowing snow, the drifts. So that's what I'm pretty much just trying to take care of, is taking care of all the drifts. It doesn't look too bad down here. Try to get it so we can get out and in, and the neighbors can, and then we can go from there. Makes it a little nicer. I've got some plans this spring/summer to try some different things on the driveway. We got some low spots. where we get really bad mud, so I bought some geocell type stuff to put in there. I put rock in to try it out, because we want to kind of, we get around the house, be new construction, you know, there's a lot of dirt, not a lot of gravel, so we get a lot of dirt blowing around, which also ends up getting in the house. So our goal is to, you know, try to minimize that the best we can. And the only way to do that, of course, is make the driveway where we want it to be. We're kind of just makeshift, guys. It's unfortunately, it's not our final plan on things. And that's what we're just trying to do, is get up here and try to get things the right way. And when we move that blade, I'll be able to shove snow farther. So Drifty, this driveway is actually quite wide, especially at the beginning. All good stuff. Anyway, we're up here by the gate, so I'm going to open the gate. We've got lots of extra stuff to do up here. So we're going to open it up and see if we can move some stuff. Got to put everything in neutral, or the tractor shuts off, part of the safety condition. So go out here and see if we can open the gates, and then I can get out there and really plow, which will be nice. So especially for the UPS, FedEx, and Amazon, they show up here. Oh, sorry about the moving around a bunch, trying to put my gloves on. But go out here. Move this stuff around a little bit. Get the gate open. Vern, what are you doing? What are you doing, Vern boy? Huh? Come to visit? Okay, I'm gonna do a lot of plowing. You got to go back. So the gate, of course, is digging into the drifting. I'm going to help it a little bit. And then we're going to move this gate a little bit, and that way I can hopefully really get in here and plow. Watch out, Vern. He's falling through the snow. Like I said, it's pretty deep. So we're going to move a few things. So we can open this gate up a little bit. I'll get the handle down. There are some blocks underneath there, buried in the snow. So, there we go. Well, I'm assuming that block down there is probably frozen, if I had to guess. If I could just get this bar to go up. Gets a little bent up. See what we can do here. This one I think I broke loose a little bit. So good. Whew. Might be able to reverse this a little bit, which really would be nice. As long as I can get the gate open somewhat. So I get in here and move around. Woo! Making it tough, falling through the snow. Only something. If there's any way to get this block to move. Nope. Right now she's in there pretty good. Like I said, if you could get it to go up, I'd be in better shape, but it doesn't appear to want to do that. So I guess we'll do our best around it for now. Well, work our way back up the hill here a little bit, see what we can get done. Got the hay spears on. Need to bring a big hammer with me. Might have been able to move it, but it didn't happen. So here we go. Everything back in. Release the brake. Let's see what we can get done here. Sliding around a little bit. Getting out to the main road. Could do. They did a great job, the county did, on the road this time. Really appreciate that. If county guys are watching, thank you. Alright, well, that's pretty much all we got going that way. See what we can do here. Moving more of this snow out of the way. Get a deeper pass at it. It really didn't move much snow that time. Let's try it again, see what we can get done here. It'd be nice if we could really move some snow. Pull it out here. The snow runs naturally down the other direction, not the way we're going, but naturally down the street. And so that would be nice if this would be nice. We're in a little higher gear. It helps throw the snow a little bit, roll it off. So one of these days I may have to look at getting a snow blower down the road. I guess the older we get, we look for more of those conveniences that hopefully we can afford to be able to get some of those conveniences. So farm just starting out, the ranch, it's a little more difficult. We don't want to go in major debt. I might feel a little differently when you're in your 20s and 30s, but I am not. I'm in my 50s, so I don't plan on ever retiring. That was the beauty of having the ranch. You control how much work you do. If we have to, we can either hire somebody way down the road, or we could just downsize a little bit. But right now it's the lifestyle that we want. Amy does have a job, so we have insurance and a little steadier stream of income that way, and a little more, see if we can make a little pass up by the ducks and stuff, because there were some really big drifts this morning back there. Matter of fact, we couldn't even get the side-by-side locking it in and stuff. It just wouldn't do it. So we'll get up here and see what we can get done. Back through here so you can see some of our stuff. I call it stuff, some people call it junk. I've been actually working on it, believe it or not, trying to clean it up a little bit. So get out here so we can get done. There are some decent sized rocks through here. So I lifted the blade up. When I say rocks, I mean boulders that are sticking up about an inch or so. So I raise the blade up so we get past that area. It knocks anything that's really high in the air. But you know, we can control, go from here. You know, our main concern, you know, in the area is to really control, you know, what's going on around here, and then see what we can get done. Have to back up because it's, like I say, it's pretty deep. And then what we'll end up doing is just seeing if we can knock some of this down a little bit so we can get the side-by-side through. running. And the wheels are spinning pretty good, so let's see what we can get done. So if it'll allow us to move a little snow at a time, we'll do it. Got it all the way up to 5. So now we're not moving any snow, so we'll lower it back down. See what we can do. Well, the duck's running. We'll move it back up a little bit. See what we can get done here. Which would be nice. Get down here. It's moving a little snow, not a ton, but a little bit. Well, like I said, these snowdrifts were pretty high on this morning, so he was having a tough time moving snow. But, oops. Let me get back over here. I'm going to try to move it. So we turn the tractor a little bit to get off some of that really high snow and see if we can move it around. Realistically, we probably could get the side-by-side up there now if we wanted to. But tractor's struggling a little bit to handle the snow I'm moving. So we'll keep it rolling. See what we can get done. Alright guys, thanks for coming with me on my plowing adventure. As you can see, we got a lot done. So anyway, please like and subscribe. Share this video, hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up if you like this content. Hopefully we'll be getting more out there. So anyway, that's what we're about up here, just up on the mountain, being self-sustainable. We're kind of like a giant homesteaders in a way, you know. We're selling food, but we also try to do as much as we can. So anyway, once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.